Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. And today I'm happy to announce the Cat Back Exhaust System for the 2019 and newer Mazda 3. So 2019 Plus covers a lot of models in the new Mazda 3. So let's get down to some details around that. This exhaust is designed for both the naturally aspirated engines and the turbocharged engines. And this is covering both the hatch, the sedan, the hatch with the Performance Aero kit from Mazda, and both all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive models. So this is really covering the whole breadth of the Mazda 3 platform with this performance exhaust system. Okay, so let's talk about the design and details of a performance CorkSport Cat Back exhaust. So performance. So when you install this on your naturally aspirated Mazda 3, you're bumping up the piping sizing a little bit. You're adding in some high flow resonators, getting rid of a muffler and a catalytic converter. So this is freeing up the exhaust a little bit. So we're seeing a little bit of a performance gain with that, along with some added noise output. Now looking at the turbo models, again, we're taking out a muffler, we're taking out a catalytic converter and putting in a high flow resonator and pretty similar size piping, ever so slightly smaller on the turbo model specifically. So again, we're freeing up the exhaust flow, adding a little bit of performance and definitely some noise. All right, so let's talk about the exhaust note for the Mazda 3. And I'm gonna talk about the axle back and the cat back versions of this so you kind of have a good comparison here. So let's talk about the naturally aspirated cars first. With a naturally aspirated car, especially with Mazda, Mazda's using a 421 header, so it still has your kind of conventional style header, and you're gonna get more of that pronounced cylinder exhaust note with the cat back. So comparing axle back to cat back, axle back's gonna give you a little more tone, a little bit of a growl over OE, a really good daily friendly, wife approved, girlfriend approved, as we like to joke here at CorkSport. Now moving up to the cat back, you're getting rid of a catalytic converter and a resonator, replacing that with a high flow resonator and a little bit larger piping. You're definitely gonna get more growl, more tone, more volume with the cat back. And so you're gonna hear that outside of the car and inside of the car. So I think this is still a daily friendly, but it's definitely gonna be louder. So it's important that you watch our other exhaust videos to really understand what that volume change is. Now let's talk about the turbocharged models. Again, this exhaust works on the turbocharged models, but the engine uses a mono head design with a turbocharger. So we're gonna have a little bit of a different note. So less of a growl that you'll see with the NA models, but it's gonna be deep, it's gonna be throaty. The axle back's great, again, for a daily driver. Moving up to the cat back, you're gonna get more volume, more of that deep throaty growl from the turbo engine. And you're gonna hear that outside and inside of the car. So again, watch the videos, check those out, make sure it's something you're looking for. And with both of these exhaust systems, you can buy the axle back now and you can upgrade to the cat back later by buying just the mid pipes. We have that option available. So it's super simple. The install doesn't really change that much other than you got to get under the car again. So check those videos out. Let us know what you think. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps you figure out the best performance exhaust for your new Mazda 3. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can message us, call us, email us. Our staff is happy to help you figure out what is the best setup for your Mazda 3. Make sure you check out the exhaust videos. These are the best way for you to figure out, is this the right exhaust for you? Do you need an axle back, a cat back? What do you want to do with your Mazda 3? And with that, all of our exhausts come with color step-by-step install instructions to help you, the DIYers, get that exhaust onto your car without an issue. So thanks for tuning in. This is Barrett, tuning out.